The first payload for our mdTector series is called the CH4, which is the molecular compound for methane gas. So methane gas is present in a lot of different things: natural pipelines, gas wells, landfills.
In situations of catastrophic events such as hurricanes, we can deploy the mdTector1000 within 5 minutes. They can be up and flying over critical infrastructure to ensure there's no methane gas leaks.
For the mdTector CH4 solution, they're either using helicopters or doing it on foot.
It's much more time-consuming, it's much more dangerous. He's having more difficulty getting into places that are remote.
Using the drone versus the pistol method on the methane detection increases the speed. You can cover a lot more ground than it would take someone to actually be there doing one shot at a time.
We've been able to identify substantial leaks that had been inspected several times a year on foot. And our first time down this pipeline, we discovered a leak that was fairly substantial. We've teamed up with a company called Pergam that makes the Laser Light Mini methane detector. And what it is, it's got basically two lasers on there. So you have one that tells you where it's pointing, and then you have another one that's actually taking the measurement.
And based on how it comes back, the sensor can detect whether or not methane is present and in what levels.
The Pergam sensor is powered by the drone. We have integrated that sensor as well as a first-person view camera so you can see real-time what the sensor is reading when you're flying it.
The combination of these experts and our expertise, hardware and software, that can produce this unique product.
Microdrones has done really well putting out an innovative, cutting-edge product that can detect methane leaks, with no real competition.